Hello everyone, this is Brian with Myartspaces.com. Today we're going to talk about how to set up a creator account. It's really easy. So I'm actually in an account right now. This is our test account. But when you click on Myartspaces.com and you want to register, you'll see the front page and there'll be a register and login up in the right hand corner. You want to click on register. After you fill out the information, you'll be logged in, and then there will also be a verification email sent to your email account. So make sure you go and you verify your email. If you don't see it in your main email, check your spam folder. I know that there is a few really secure email sites that it doesn't work with, but they don't work with anything. What is it? Hold on. There's one that a friend of mine uses. It was what was it? It's a really secure. It's a private email account, and they're really hard to get into, and so they don't allow anything like this. So if you have one of those, you're welcome. You want to set up a Gmail or a Yahoo account or Proton Mail. That's what it was. Proton Mail for some reason does not accept these things. So anyhow, you're going to be logged in. At that point, you're going to go into more, and then you're going to go to settings. Now, down here, verify, it tells you what you need to do to set up your creator account. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on here. Actually, hold on. Click on here, and you're going to upload a copy of your ID. And then you're going to click on it again and upload the backside, okay? And then you're going to press submit. Then you're going to go up to your profile account and you're going to pick your username out. Now, when you pick your username out, you don't want to leave any spaces. And you're going to fill this stuff in. You make sure you put your birthday in there. Click save. And then you're going to wait for verification. So what's going to happen at this point is someone, probably me, is going to go on the back of the website, and we're going to verify and approve your account. At that point, you're able to actually make money on the site. Okay, so let's go over a few other things here. Here's where you would reset your password if you have a problem. This is your wallet. This is where you'll see all your deposits. All the money will be added up here, and it will show you a balance. As more people pay you, the money will add up in here, and then when you withdraw, it will decrease. Now, how do you withdraw your money? It's really important to know, right? Well, there's a minimum to withdraw, and it's $20. But when you're ready to withdraw, you're just going to put your bank account number in there. So basically, your bank account and your routing number. And that's how you do that. And now, if you use Stripe or PayPal, with PayPal, you're going to put your PayPal email in there. With Stripe, you put your payment account number. And then you can send a message to me if you want to, but you don't need to, or your bank notes. Anyways, that's how it works. Over here, as people pay you, you'll see all the payments add up over here. And these are where this is where you set your account to paid profile or free profile. So this one account is set to free profile right now. And you can tell because there's no subscriptions. But if you go over here and you change this to subscriptions, you'll see this come up. Now, let's say you change this to $10 for 1 month, right? But you want to give someone a discount, so you want to save them a little bit of money for 3 months, so you're going to put 9. So that would mean that for 3 months, that would be 27. It does the math for you. And then let's say you want to do 6 months at 5, for example, $30, right? That's what that would mean, and so forth. So you don't have to do the math. It does it for you. It's pretty nice. But let's go back up here and and if you come down here, if you have the subscriptions on, you'll see all your subscriptions down here. You won't see payments unless you get tips or anything like that. So we'll turn that off for now. Here's where you set your notifications, any new comments, all these things. You can decide what you want to see. And this is where you set up your two-factor authentication if you want it, or if you want to make your profile private from search engines, you can do that too. And that's about all there is to that part. Now, over here at home, This is where when you follow people, you'll see them come up here. So for example, let's look up my friend Emilio, who is an amazing photographer. If you do a search for Emilio Photography, and you go to people, you'll see him right here. Now, if I clicked on his profile, and then it would say follow, I could follow him, and I would see all of his work come up in my home page. When you start to sell, or you have e-messages, you'll see them here, along with likes, subscriptions, tips, and all the other things that are, you can do on here. This is where you can send messages. So say that I want to send Emilio a message. I'd click on that, and I'd write his name in there and send him a message. You can do live streams now, and so we're excited. We're just adding that in right now, but that's a lot of fun. And then lists, these are people you can follow. You can block people if you need to. And then subscriptions, obviously that's where that is. And then profile. So how do you make a post on myartspaces.com? You go down to new post, and you add a file, and then you write something, and then you click on this and set a post price, and you save it. Now, if you have subscriptions on, you don't need to do that. You're just going to add files and do that. And then at that point, no one can see it unless they pay. But on a free account, that's how you do it. And then you just come over and push save, and you've uploaded your first post. It's really easy to get going. A few more things. This is where you can copy your profile link, or you can copy your QR code. You can also get to edit your profile from here. But as you can see, it's a really easy platform to use. It's really fun. It was built it was built specifically for artists and art, and to sell and make money with their art on. So another thing that I've done on my personal page is after I do a post, I sell prints through my site. I'll say, if you'd like this post, I'll make a post and I'll make it free. Then I'll say, if you like this print, or you want this as a print, just leave me a tip for this much money, and then send me a message. Another thing that I'm starting to do is I have an external site where I sell prints. I'm going to offer a discount code so that if someone follows me, they can have the discount code and they can go buy prints out of the store at a discount. There's all kinds of cool things you can do with this. But anyways, that's about it for now. So if you have any questions, please send me a message. I'd love to answer them. And other than that, have a great day.